Today, I'll show you how to create a Google account on a laptop. First, open your browser on the laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, go to the Google Sign Up page. Once the page opens, click Create Account. Google may show a few choices, such as for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. For a normal personal Google account, choose for my personal use. On the next screen, type your first name and last name, then click Next. After that, Google will ask for some basic information, usually your date of birth and gender. Fill that in carefully, because these details help set up and protect your account. Next, Google will ask how you want to sign in. In most cases, you can either choose a suggested Gmail address or create your own custom Gmail address. This is the part where you choose the email name you want, like your name at gmail.com. If the username you enter is already taken, don't worry. Just try a different version by adding numbers, initials, or a small variation until Google accepts it. In some cases, Google may also give you the option to use your existing email address instead of creating a new Gmail address. But if you want full Gmail access with a brand new Google email, choose the Gmail option and continue. Now create your password. Make sure it's something strong but still easy for you to remember. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it once, then type it again to confirm it, and click Next. At this point, Google may ask for a phone number. This step is sometimes optional, but sometimes Google requires it for verification and security. If asked, enter your phone number and wait for the code by text message. Then type that code into the box to confirm it's really your number. After that, Google may ask you to add a recovery email address. This is very useful because it helps you recover your account if you ever forget your password or lose access later. You can also review your account information before moving on. Finally, Google will show you the Privacy and Terms page. Take a moment to scroll through it, then click I agree to finish creating your account. Once that's done, your Google account is ready. You can now use Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Google Docs, and all other Google services on your laptop. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.